Hello, I'm Grace.
I'm Hussein.
And this is week 3 of level 4.
Getting weird.
Getting weird. And we did some kind of Hussein classics, and we talked about some connection and things to kind of build to what the Hussein classic was in this.
Yep.
We started though by talking about follows and just walking through a few things to build up the skill to be safe in the movements by doing a pass where we just scooted through, and with rhythm.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry. And keeping shoulders facing the lead, head turning, shoulders, and then letting the hips come around. And then we keep that movement as we do a side pass on the other side with an underarm turn to where I will keep my arm in front of my head so that my shoulders go and then my hips. And then also keep my elbow low and keep it in front of me so it doesn't get behind me and it stays safe.
Yeah. All essential tips for keeping you safe.
Yes.
Then we added a barrel. We added a barrel for the leaders to this turn. Ooh, ooh. And we added a cutoff at the end as well, building on some stuff we did last week. The cues we had for that were to engage your lats and to ramp up the engagement in your lats as you get to the end and get to the end a little sooner. And so we did some exercises for finding that engagement. And this is also inspired by some material we saw in a video with Felipe Braga and Stephanie O'Connor.
Yeah.
So credits to them.
Yeah.